What's up, BNLs? Welcome back to my channel. This is Lara and you're watching my video.
Bring the action.
Wiggle, 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 don't stop, don't stop, don't.
Welcome to another episode on How to Speak Waray Waray. If you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell below to get updated on my videos. And of course, para ma-inspire ako. For today's episode on How to Speak Waray Waray, I will teach you how to call family members in Waray Waray. Without further ado, let's start. First word is father. In Waray, we say amay or tatay and papa. Next is mother. In Waray, we say iroy or we can call them nanay or mama. Next word is son or daughter. In Waray, we say anak. And by the way, in Waray, when we say boy or man, we say or we call them lalaki. For girl or women, we just say babayi. Next word is brother. In Waray, we say bugto na lalaki. Next is sister. In Waray, we say bugto na babayi. Next word is grandmother. In Waray, we say lola. For grandfather, we say lolo. But for grandparents, we call them or we say apoy. Not apoy in Tagalog, which means fire. Okay? In Waray, apoy means grandparents. Next word is cousin. In Waray, we say patod. Next word is nephew or niece. In Waray, we call them umangkon, either niece or nephew. Next word is son-in-law or daughter-in-law. In Waray, we say umagad. Next word is brother-in-law. In Waray, we say bayaw. For sister-in-law, we call or we say hipag. For father-in-law and mother-in-law, in Waray, we say or we call them
ugangan.
For the eldest child or the oldest child in the family, we call them or we say suhag. While for the youngest child, we say or we call them puto. Not puto. Puto. Okay? Which means the youngest child in the family. Okay, so that's how we call the family members in Waray Waray. And this time, shout out to Paradise Lang who requested translation on the basic verbs. So here it is. First is I am cooking. In Waray, we say nagluluto ak. I am cooking. In Waray, nagluluto ak. Next, I am eating. In Waray, nakaon paak. Next is I am going to your house. In Waray, we say makadtuak sa iyo balay. Again, makadtuak sa iyo balay. Next, I will dance. I will dance. In Waray, we say masayaw ak. Masayaw ak. How about I will sing? In Waray, we say makanta ak. Next, I am sleepy. In Waray, we say tikaturog ak. Next is I will take a bath. In Waray, we say maparigo ak. Maparigo ak. Next, I will wash my hands. in Waray, we just say maghugas ak kamot. Again, maghugas ak kamot. And lastly, before I say the last word, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Again, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell below to get updated on my videos. And for the last word for today's tutorial last phrase is I want to watch movies. I want to watch movies. In Waray, we say karuyag ko maghiling palabas. Or you just can say pelikula. Karuyag ko maghiling pelikula. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much VNLs for watching this another episode on how to speak Waray Waray, and for the request, thank you so much. I've been reading your comments and I will be making more tutorials based on your comments, and I'm so happy that I am teaching you something about Waray Waray. And again and again and again, this Waray Waray that I am teaching you is from Calbayog City. Other Waray Waray words may differ depending on the location here in Samar. So if you have another translation on the words that I have taught you just a while ago, you may comment it down below. So feel free. Thank you so much again for watching this video. See you on my next video. Diyos Mabalos.